Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change mouse pointer color and size. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your settings and search here for mouse. Now go to mouse settings. Now go to mouse pointer size and color. Now here you can change mouse color and here you can customize the color. And now if you go to size, you can change the pointer size. So this is how you can change mouse pointer color or size. That's it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.